belching or burping is a common problem. This video is all about this annoying symptom and what you can do about it. Hello everyone. Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar, Chirumamilla. I'm going to talk about belching or burping. Well, belching does come naturally. A study has shown that healthy young people belch an average of 11 times in 20 hours, excluding meal times. The gas you release while belching comes from your upper gastrointestinal tract. It got there because you swallowed it while talking, eating, or drinking. The air that goes down with every swallow just adds to the air already in your stomach. And all this trapped air speaks loud and clear when it comes back up. What to do when belching becomes a bother? Well, I'm going to give you some tips. You can try these tips. Drink ginger tea after eating. Ginger relieves gastrointestinal irritation and prevents stomach acid from flowing back up the esophagus. Next remedy, chew fennel seeds after your meals. Fennel is thought to help expel gas from the intestinal tract and assist digestion. And eat small meals and eat slowly. Not eating and drinking at the same time can reduce repetitive swallowing. Certain foods and beverages are particularly gassy or puffed up with air. Watch out for carbonated or foaming beverages or dishes made with beaten eggs or whipped cream. How do you swallow air when you are not eating? Well, smoking, sipping through a straw, chewing gum, and sucking hard candies can add to the trapped air in your stomach and contribute to belching problems. Drinking from water fountains, cans, and bottles can also be blamed. Try to avoid munching or chewing when you are on the go. When you want to sip of something, try to drink calmly rather than grabbing a gulp on the go. Work to reduce your anxiety level. Sometimes you are swallowing air because you are anxious. Among the best stress relievers are regular exercise, meditation, and soothing activities such as taking a hot bath. Many people don't realize that a forced belch will backfire. When you try to force up the trapped air, you often swallow more air at the same time or just afterward, so you end up getting more air down than you actually remove. So don't force yourself to belch. Soda drinks are no help to belchers. Like carbonated beverages, these remedies make you belch even more because you are swallowing more air along with the drink. When you sip a hot beverage, you swallow air. To get around that problem, simply let your coffee cool a bit before you take a steamy sip. And practice some steps as you swallow any liquid. Actually, these are the exercises you can do. First step, lift your tongue up. Next step, keep your teeth together or slightly parted. Third step, sip but don't slurp the liquid. Don't swallow it. Fourth step, close your lips and pull them in a bit. Fifth step, squeeze your tongue up. Sixth step, swallow. In this way, you can reduce your annoying problem, that is belching or burping. In the next video, we will meet with another interesting and important topic. Satam Jiva Sarado Vardhamanaha. Satam Hemantan, Satam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, be positive, keep smiling, and stay safe. Love you all. Subham.